Hi, I'm Luke in my group and I will be discussing vocabulary words of science. The words we will be discussing are atom, compound, element, protein, DNA, RNA, molecule, enzyme, amino acid, carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid, and the differences between organic and inorganic compounds. Now on to Sean at Chuck E. Cheese.
Thank you, Luke. First, I will be discussing compounds. A compound is when two or more chemicals or elements are chemically bonded together. For example, H2O, or water, is two hydrogens and one oxygen, therefore a compound. Next we have lipids, which is any large group of compounds that are oily to the touch and insoluble in water. Lipids include fatty acids, oils, waxes, sterols, triglycerides, and triglycerides. Finally, we will be finding the differences between organic compounds and inorganic compounds. An organic compound is when at least one of the elements in a compound is carbon. If it does not have carbon, it is inorganic. Those are the differences between inorganic and organic compounds. Now on to Robert with live footage at Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. Thank you, Sean. I will be talking about nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is any group of long, linear macromolecules, either DNA or various types of RNA, that carry genetic info, composed of linked nucleotides. The next word I will talk about is enzyme. An enzyme is a substance produced by a living organism that acts as a catalyst to bring about a specific biochemical reaction. They are found in the saliva secreted by the salivary glands. The last thing I will be talking about is protein. Protein is the plant or animal tissue rich in such molecules, considered as a food source supplying essential amino acids to the body. For example, any type of meat, eggs, bread, cheese, beans, seeds, and nuts. Now on to Jaden, live at his favorite store, the Dollar Tree.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I just got done shopping at my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, where everything's a dollar. Now on to the real topic. The first is atom, the smallest component of an element having the chemical properties of that element. Next, DNA. DNA is an acid that is an extremely long micromolecule that is the main component of chromosomes. It is the material that transfers genetic characteristics in all life forms. Lastly, amino acid. That is an organic compound containing amine, negative NH2 in Cartox, negative COOH function groups, along with a side chain R group specific to each amino acid. Thanks for watching my segment at the Dollar Tree. Now back to Luke at the studio.
Thanks, Jaden. The words I will be discussing are element, molecule, RNA, and carbohydrate. An element is a substance that cannot be chemically interconverted or broken down into a simpler substance. Next vocabulary word is molecule. Molecule is a group of atoms bonded together, representing the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound. Water, H2O, is one example of a molecule. Third word I will be discussing is RNA, or also known as ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid is present in all living cells. Its principal role is to act as a messenger, carrying instructions from DNA, controlling the synthesis of proteins. The final word I will be discussing is carbohydrate. A carbohydrate is a large group of organic compounds found in sugar, starches, and cellulose. Carbs typically contain the same ratio of hydrogen and oxygen as water, 2:1. Carbs can be found in breads, pastas, and potatoes. Thank you for tuning into our news broadcast.